Agbor man cannot be a Bini name. Agbor man cannot speak Bini. Agbor can speak Igbo. Our name is an Igbo name. Our language is an Igbo language. So there is nowhere we are not running away from it.
Ndị be owo ife agbagwoju na ya anya. Ife anyị nọ na social media ekpo ọkụ ketani na eyezi anyị mmadụ a na-elozi esi naanị ka enye dị nọọsụ ga na-eme. But I was saying ọ dị mma ka anyị nyochakwa ọfụma ka anyị jụọ a son of the soil. Onye bụ that n'ihi ya bụ onye Agbor gogogo. Nwa dị anị ka ọ kọwaa na anyị because o nwere the social media and come why about Agbor because if I am on the social media you see no aposha bu Dein of Agbor kingdom.
We are Agbor people. We're not Igbos. I'm not an Igbo. Slight mistake that you made there. There is no W in mine. So we are not Igbos. We are Agbor. You must be proud of that. You do not speak Ika because you do not speak a language that has no meaning. You speak Agbor. We have always spoken Agbor. What do you prefer as young people? Do you want to take on the heritage of a 2,000-year-old kingdom called Agbor? Or do you want to live by the heritage of a legal entity that was just created some 40, 50 years ago that has no history? Which one would you prefer? The heritage. Yes. Okay.
Onwa kosi aposhasi nabunewe ndị Igbo. Nabunewe ndị Ika. Aba newe bụ ndị Agbor. Aba na-asị okay, chief biko ka igwa ya fine. Debe isi bịa na Agbor. Ka igwazi anyị beke ndị Agbor, ka igwa anyị nwantịntị ife gbasana ndị Agbor. Bụ ndị Agbor abụwe ndị Igbo ka bụ enukwu ese da. Ka ime na anyị explain. Gbabulu ndị oyibo. Daalụ sir.
Thank you so much. Mwa onyolo yari ku efamu eze nwale. Ako Igbo onye mbiri Kenwo Eka North East. Formerly Eka local government. Like ihe unu ekukipte na nwura bayene ihe Kagbo Ekuzi of Agbor kingdom Iku bayene ndị Agbor LND Eka or Agbor LND Igbo. To me, I disagree with him because his own father's name is Ikechukwu. The Obi of Ikechukwu, that is the father's name of Kagbo Ekuzi. So that name, where does that name came from?
Thank you.
So because you cannot take away somebody away from his name. The name is where they will find you and where they will locate where you came from. So his father's name is Ikechukwu.
Thank you.
So Ikechukwu is an Igbo name.
Yeah.
So that is apart. Another one, like the history of Agbor, the little I knew, Agbor and Edo, they are brothers.
Okay.
So the Oba of Benin then. So now tell Agbor to come down to Agbor. It was not Agbor the name already initially. We had Agbor before Ugbo or something like that. But when the European came now, they have to change that name because they could not pronounce it the way the men of those days pronounce it. So they now put Agbor. So that is how Agbor came to be. Agbor cannot claim that they are Edo or they are Benin. No. Though in the history they are brothers, but today they are no longer, because Agbor man cannot be a Benin name. Agbor man cannot speak Benin. Agbor can speak Igbo. Our name is an Igbo name. Our language is an Igbo language. So there is nowhere we are not running away from it. to me, even if people say they are not, but to me, I'm an Igbo man. My name is Eze. So you can trace my name to be East. So I believe that is all I can say concerning what the Obi of Agbor is saying.
Voice of Enuani.